Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for GoHenry allowances. GoHenry is a popular digital banking platform designed for kids and teens, helping them manage their finances and develop good money habits. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for using GoHenry allowances effectively. First, it is essential to understand the concept of allowances in GoHenry. An allowance is a regular amount of money transferred from a parent's account to their child's GoHenry account, typically on a weekly or monthly basis. This feature allows parents to teach their kids the value of money and help them develop essential financial skills. To set up an allowance in GoHenry, parents need to log into their account, navigate to the Settings section, and select the Allowance option. They can then choose the frequency and amount of the allowance, as well as set specific rules and limits for their child's spending. One of the best practices for using GoHenry allowances is to set clear expectations and goals with your child. Parents should discuss with their kids how the allowance will be used, what expenses are expected, and how savings and spending will be balanced. This open communication helps kids understand the purpose of the allowance and develops their financial literacy. Another key concept is to encourage kids to save a portion of their allowance. GoHenry allows parents to set savings goals and rules, such as allocating a certain percentage of the allowance to savings. This feature helps kids develop a savings habit and understand the importance of long-term financial planning. In addition to saving, parents should also teach their kids about responsible spending. GoHenry provides a spending tracker, which allows kids to monitor their expenses and make informed decisions about their purchases. Parents can also set limits on certain types of transactions, such as online purchases or ATM withdrawals, to help their kids avoid overspending. To make the most of GoHenry allowances, parents should regularly review their child's account activity and provide feedback. This helps kids identify areas for improvement and develop better financial habits. Parents can also use GoHenry's educational resources, such as financial quizzes and games, to teach their kids essential money management skills. In conclusion, GoHenry allowances are a powerful tool for teaching kids and teens about personal finance and money management. By setting clear expectations, encouraging savings, teaching responsible spending, and providing regular feedback, parents can help their kids develop essential financial skills and a healthy relationship with money. By following these best practices, families can make the most of GoHenry allowances and set their kids up for long-term financial success.